Hello everyone, welcome back with another very useful and informative video. In this video, I'll show you how to change country region of App Store to USA. So if you want to change the country region to USA, then here in this video, I'll show you how you can change the App Store country region to USA on your iPhone or iPad device. So now let's get started how you can change country region to USA on App Store of your iPhone or iPad device. So now let's get started. First of all, here we have to open App Store on your iPhone or iPad device. So after that, here we have to open this. Then here you will have to wait a while. Then tap on your Apple ID profile. Then here you will see this type of interface. Here we have tap on your Apple ID name. Then after that, again here you will have to wait for a few moments. It's processing. You will have to wait for a few moments. Then after that, here you will have to enter your Apple ID password. Then after entering the Apple ID password, you will need to tap on done. So after that, here you will have to again wait for a few moments. So after that, you will see this type of interface. Here you can see that here is the option of country region. You will need to tap on this. And after that, you will have to again wait for a few moments. So then here you will need to tap on change country or region. After that, here you will have to select United States country. So here you will have to select United States country. So here United States, you will need to tap on this. Then after that, here again wait for a few moments. So after that, these are the terms and conditions. You will have to read all these terms and conditions. And if you agree with these terms and conditions, you will need to tap on agree. So after that, here you will have to enter your payment method. If you don't want to enter payment method, then here you can select none. So after that, here you will have to enter the billing address. Here you can enter anyone. Then here you will have to enter any name. Then here you will have to select state. So here I'm going to select California. You can select anyone. So after that, here you will have to enter the zip code of California. If you don't know the zip code of that state, then you can check from Google or from Safari browser. So after that, here you will have to put your mobile phone number. You can also enter fake one. Then after that, here tap on next. So after that, you can see that the App Store country or region has been changed to USA. So in this way, you can change country or region of App Store on your iPhone or iPad device to USA easily. So that's it from this video. Hopefully you like this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get my all upcoming videos. Thanks for watching this video.